Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I am Beats by Manuel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to mix backing vocals. I'm going to show you how to turn backing vocals from this
Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb.
to this.
Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. I don't believe. Say the things where girls don't do me, I say I don't believe. I'm what this one play me like fame, I won't lie. Cannot lie to you, girl. I try. No more lies. I hear, I am. You got me moving my body. You got me moving my body.
Before we start, alright, please subscribe to help grow this channel. Hit the notification bell so that more videos like this comes up, you'll be the first to know. Alright, so without wasting much time, I want this video to be very short, so let's get right into the video. Alright, I'm gonna load up FL Studio right now. So I'm loading the project right now. All right. The project is fully loaded. So let's start. So I'm gonna play. Nice. Basically, I have two bosses here. Okay, this boss is for these vocals right here, from 9 to 14, and this boss here is from 16 to 21. But from 16 to 20, but this boss is routed to this 15. All right. Yes. So what happened was that when this project was sent to me, it came with these vocals down here, these backing vocals down here. Well, it felt empty. All right, it felt empty. So I then added a couple of vocals. Then these vocals were they had low end. Okay, so practically I couldn't process them like the way I processed this ones. So I had to do a quick processing here. Basically, what I did there was just to roll off the low end, mid, and boost the highs and clarity there. And I still added fresh air and I did a lot. So 25, 35. Yeah, that is what I did. Yeah. So the only thing, I'm just gonna mute this. So I'm gonna play the vocals raw. All right. I'm just gonna leave the auto-tune, so you know why. So let's play.
Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb.
Without the vocals that I added.
Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb.
Okay. So um okay, first thing I did, I use this preset from Favita Pro Q, choir fullness and air. Okay, if I play this, just gonna mute. I'm mute that. I'm sorry. Let's start with this. Okay, let's just start with this since there are fewer plugins there. So I already showed you what I did here. So let's start. So
Holy, holy.
so if you notice, I was kind of compressing this low end and bringing the top end higher. So this mid range was actually being affected too. So just a preset, okay, you can find it in Pro Q. All right. So next what I added was the same. I added this vocal preset. I rolled off low end to about 80 hertz, and yeah, I also rolled off this mid some, and I boosted the highs. All right. Then I added compressor. Okay, about negative 15 dB of reduction and ratio of 2.5 to 1. then gain of 3 dB, and the type here is soft. Okay, that's pretty much, you can see the settings here. It's simple. But then I added fresh air again because I wanted the clarity out of this vocal. Yeah, so 25 25 from high air and mid air, 25 25. That is what it is. Then I added another EQ. This time around I was doing a dynamic. I used a dynamic feature. So I was taking away the okay, the truth is that the truth about mixing is you just have to do what sound best for your track. All right, don't go too extreme though, but just do what makes your track sound okay. Don't overdo it. Okay, that's the word. What I'm doing right now, it's best for this vocal. So when I'm done, you're gonna hear the vocal, you're gonna know that okay, it's best for this vocal. All right, this might not work for your vocal, so just so you know. So I'm just reducing a little. I'm just gonna play. Just take this mid range, I'm taking it out, and so you can hear the difference. Okay, I'm just gonna mute this. Now hear the instant difference. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this down. Alright, so you can hear the difference. I know it's sounding amazing already. Then I added reverb. Alright, it's not done much. Right, the high chord is about 2 kilohertz, the low chord is about 795 hertz. I wanted the low end of this vocal, so yeah. So I duet, I took it down to 50. Then I left the dry at 100. Decay 2.1. So okay, calling these figures and doesn't mean you have to necessarily add them to your mix. These settings might not work for you. All right, what you have to do is understand what these plugins do. Okay, like this reverb, understand what the reverb does to your track, to your vocals. All right, so when I'm talking about decay, you know what decay is. Okay, you should search, make your research what the decay does, what the high chord is, what the low chord is, what the words, what the dry, what the air deflection is. All right, make your research so that when I'm doing these things, you know why I'm doing them. Okay, you don't just add it to your mix. It might just make your mix more worse than you can imagine. My vocal is definitely going to be different from your vocal, so just know why I'm doing this and you're good to go. All right, so I'm gonna play. Without the reverb. So you won't necessarily get feel the difference unless I play, then you can hear the tail. So I added chorus. Okay, don't ask me what I did here. I just picked a particular preset and reduced the this mix level to about 35%. Yeah, that's what I did. Simple. And then I added Sooth. Okay, this is one of my best plugins. All right, it takes out the harshness in your vocals and also does it does plenty things actually to your vocals. It does a lot, so you should get this plugin. So just gonna add this one so you can hear what everything is. See that it brightens up the vocal? Yeah, it brightens up that vocal. So I'm just gonna close the volume a little bit. So right, so I'm still mixing the project is, so don't worry if it sounds awful. So Basically, this is what I use in here, or the vocal. This is what I used. Return speed is about 15. Yeah. Humanize 5, flex 20. Then tracking I turned down to minus 100, I think. Then that's all. I left everything pretty much like that. That's how it is in all the vocals down here. So now down to the final source. Okay. So this is what spreads this vocal. It's called the Fruity stereo enhancer, obviously. So what you want to do is right click and click these 4 strings. Okay, what this does, it spreads your vocal. Anything, even if it's an instrumental you're making and using a plugin, even if it's synth percussions and stuff like that, it spreads it throughout your mix. You can just mess with the settings and find the right spot. Oh, I like that there, and you leave it. Simple. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this on so you can hear the instant difference. Instant change. I mean, the change is very noticeable. So this is what I want to tell you. Okay, I wanted you to know this trick. Any track you're working on, even if it's not a choir piece or something like this, and you're working on a simple R&B song, always use stereo enhancer for your backing vocals. Honestly, even people use them in lead vocals to spread. So in case you didn't know this, I wanted to show you this. So you go on typing by hitting the subscribe button. Yeah, I bet you will. All right, so we've come to the end of this video. All right, it's a very simple video. I'm just gonna play it without. You can hear how muddy the vocals are, and that is how they came to me. So this is what I've done. I've walked through the process, and this is what it sounds after. I want to show you the exact changes this Fruity Stereo Enhancer adds to your mix. You should use it always in your mix. So I'm just gonna okay, let's do without this. Let's play. Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. Even without the processing, just spread your vocals, your backing vocals around, and just leave the middle space for your lead vocal. Simple. So here's with every other plugin. Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. Holy, holy, seated on the throne. You see? Yeah, that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, right, to help grow this channel. You know, when I see my channel grow and with the likes and with the subscriptions and stuff like that, with the comments, I'm motivated to do more. Just do what you have to do. Yeah, I'm talking to you now. Like now, just go down there. It's not gonna take a minute. Just do it. Yeah, I know you did it. So thumbs up to you. And I will see you in the next video. And I hope you do take care of yourself. And bye. Obviously.